Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. And as you know, all the nurseries and shops are closed these days, so we don't have any other option to add on plants to our balcony. So, what you can do right now is propagate from your current plants, or either you can take some stems or some small plants from your garden or your nearby park. What I've done over here is the same. I've taken a stem of a Vincia plant from a nearby garden, and I'm just going to propagate it in my current pot which I had. This is an old pot wherein I had another plant, but that plant died somehow, and now I wanted to use the pot for another plant. So here I'm using it. So as you can see, the soil has become a bit stiff on the top. So we need to tilt the soil a bit on the top and bring in some air in the soil so that the roots are able to breathe in and the water is able to retain, it seeps in and get retained in the plant. Now we need to make space for the roots so that the roots can go inside, because the roots are longer in this plant. So I have to ensure that there's space for the roots to go in, and then we'll just take our stem and sew it inside the gap which we've created, and then we'll add on more soil on top of the plant so that it stays in place and doesn't tilt here and there. So I'm just adding some more soil on top, and we'll ensure that the soil sustains the plant properly, and this plant is able to stand on its own with the soil. So we'll try to fill in as much soil, and now I'm adding some vermicompost and garden soil mix over here so that it has all the nutrients. The vermicompost and garden soil mix is a very good mix. You can also add cocoa peat in some plants, but I'm here using only vermicompost and garden soil. So that's on top of the soil so that the plant gets all the nutrients. So now what we are going to do is we are going to press the top soil a bit so that when we water the plant, the water stays in the plant for some time and just doesn't seep through the pot immediately, and the plant gets all the nutrients from water as well. Also, the roots will be able to will be able to stay together. So first thing that we do is water the plant which we have recently potted so that the soil stays together and the roots are able to stay in its place and grow really well. So here is our newly potted plant which we've taken from the garden, the stem, and now we are able to add another plant to our balcony garden just during the lockdown as well. And this is one of the propagation that I did 6 months back from a stem, and now see it has become so bigger and it has got flowers as well in this spring season. So I really like adding new plants to my garden, and I hope you all like this video and you will also be able to add some plants to your garden during this lockdown period. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos. We make such gardening videos and also some healthy recipes, as well as some home organizing and decor videos on our channel. So do subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep meeting you every Thursday as we do. Till then, take care.